let me do an intro. So I did not do an intro, but today Leash and I, my favorite leash in the world. You know that? You're my favorite leash in the world.
I hope so.
So we just did a shoot with Becca. We shot for shopmakedayan.com. We have some new arrivals, and then we reshot some of the pieces that we had on. I wasn't too happy with like the angles. I feel like I wasn't doing the clothing justice. I think over time I've gotten better with the posing. I think that was like my biggest thing. But yeah, so I redid some of the photos. We had an hour and we did really good. So I like her pictures. We're still going. Intro in it? No, we're still going to New York though, because Martha's pictures are fire.
And I'll be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, yeah, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time with me, don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste. Waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Lay my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. Oh, I'm drinking the champagne. Oh, you wanted the same thing. Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a start. It get plenty things kind of like, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Death Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn.
And she works fast. I almost ate it on the Escalades though.
They look good when I tell her I said they don't look good.
Oh yeah, but you know what's so crazy, Leash? We take pictures all the time on the camera and they look great until I pull them up.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? But she was like zooming in on stuff. So she said a week I'll get the photos. So in a week, yeah, I'll get the photos and stuff. I really want to go get my body scrub. Like that is something I dream of, but I don't.
Somebody scrub your body?
So they have like these Korean spas and they do like a scrub and it just looks so magical, and I want to. Hold on, let me text her Carlita. Carlos,
so make it give me the money, make me scrub it though.
how much would you charge me?
I would have give you some scrub. You would have never want us neither scrub in your life.
Lisha, you know, I thought you were being serious, that you really wanted to scrub
Let
me
me
down.
don't scrub you, all the skin peel off.
So you have so much stress for me? Why? Lisha, I would have paid you.
Do you know pay me scrub you?
No, I don't even trust you now. I'm gonna ask mom. I'll pay mom to do it.
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to hear it.
Okay, good. You already know, so I can't even. Anyways. Oh! Why am I Why do I look like a ghost? Okay, there we go.
Lighting.
Okay. No, because they be saying
What do you say?
that you're a white woman. It's the lighting. I think I don't know how to like adjust my camera that well.
I bleach, they want to send me the bleach. They must have buy product give me the bleach. And that they want to say. When I hear them say that me like a white woman, and that they want to say.
What is that noise? It sounds like wind and bamboo. Not true. Oh! So guys, I'm home now. I'm exhausted. She was really good. We actually went to high school together, so that's how I know of her, and the pictures look so good. So she said like just give her a few days, she'll send them to me and then I will pick. So this shoot was for my boutique pictures. I really have to just put my all into that right now. I just have to, you know, just market, but I want the pictures to look a certain way. I want the site to look a certain way and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna like keep going and test and trial. That's like just where I am right now. So we did the pictures. I can't wait to see them. Cannot wait to see them. And then Leash helped me, which I'm super grateful for. And it went by really fast. So now I have like an idea of like if I have somewhere where I can like change really quick, we can do about like 5 to 7 outfits. So that should be like really good. So I really wanna, yeah. So then we're gonna meet up again and do some like street style, which is cool. I'm excited for that. But my aunt and I are still gonna go to New York and do these outfits because I want to shoot with Martha so bad. Like her pictures are like absolute fire. I just love like how, I don't know if it's like Photoshop or like Lightroom or whatever she used to like do the texture and the vibrancies of her pictures, but they look really good. And just shooting with Becca, I learned so much of like angles and like posing and shapes and stuff, which is pretty cool. And that's like when you hire like an expert in a certain field, like after time you do like learn like little tips and tricks and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. This has been such a tough week for me / last week. Like life is not easy and I'm just kind of just like push forward, but I'm learning so much. Like, baby, I'm tired of being like a scholar. Can I just live like a soft, beautiful life, which I am and which I will. But yo, life, sometimes you have to like look back and you're just like, life is so crazy, like, you know. But I'm in a weird space. But I have learned, let me tell you some things that I've learned in 2022. I have learned that no matter how kind and how sweet you are or whatever, people are foul, okay? People are so foul. They can be your sister, your brother, your son, your daughter, your father, like your aunt. Like, people are foul, okay? So I hate to be in a world where, you know, you feel like people just aren't genuine. But I've been encountering that a lot, and maybe that's a reflection that my boundaries aren't strong enough. And now it is, you know. Now I've learned my lesson. But oh my gosh, people are so foul. And I am somebody that is super empathetic. Like, if I really care, you're gonna know. If I don't care, you'll know. As not that if I don't care, but if I care, you know what I mean, you'll know. And I feel like when you, I don't know, people are just so like, I don't know. I just want good people that love and celebrate me, and I am someone that loves and celebrates as well. And I don't think that the people in your life, you know, no matter the case or whatever, I just don't think the people in your life, if you say some things like, it doesn't matter, like I feel like the people in your life, if they truly care about you, they'll show it. And I have to say, people show their care in certain ways, but I think if you tell somebody that something hurt you, or you're not too fond of something, and they take offense, or they feel like they're being attacked when you're just like saying how you feel, I think that's different. But I'm learning, like I feel like I'm learning. I think I'm just in a place where I just want to like focus. Okay, what am I doing over here? What are you doing? I think I'm just in a place where I just want to focus on myself, keep my circle super small, because people just switch up on you so fast, so quickly, so easily, you know. And if something is real, it will not fade. You know what I mean? If something is real, it will not fade, I promise you. So if it didn't fade on your part, I definitely think you were being real. If it was fading on the other person's, they weren't being real. But you know, lately I just feel like I just need to talk to God more. You know, like I just feel like I'm in a place where I'm still figuring out everything. I feel like, you know, I know what I want, but sometimes you just don't know how to get there, you know. And I think that's where you talk to God and just, you know, you design the life that you want. But this has been a really tough time. So we're back from Sam's Club. Let me do a little haul. So we got some Perrier. We love sparkling water. This salad, the sweet kale salad from Sam's. Chef's kiss, so bomb. We got some cucumbers, so bomb. We love nuts, so this is the pistachio mix. It has almonds, pistachios, and cashews. And then we got some orange juice. We love orange juice without pulp. Ketchup. Cantaloupe is my favorite, so we got lots of cantaloupe. Mom got a little rosary chicken. It looks pretty good. This is like great if you don't want to make dinner. Then we got some shrimp. Looks so bomb. Can't wait to nibble. Then we got our favorite, the King Hawaiian bread. This is so bomb. Y'all pretend y'all don't see the Pepsi. Don't get the Pepsi. Pepsi's not good for you. Then we also got these. I don't even know what these are. Yeah, these are so good, but I don't know what they are. If they're cookies or if it's like a bread. I don't know, but these are bomb. If you ever see them, get these. They're so good. And then my mom and my aunt got some Danishes. Which one is left? They ate it in the car. And then we just got some other cleaning stuff, which is left in the car. We'll grab that stuff tomorrow. But that is pretty much the haul for Sam's Club. I just came home and I'm packing out groceries. I literally have not been vlogging. I missed 1 week. I'm so disappointed in myself because life has just been kicking my butt. But I have been productive off camera. I just need to remember to pick up the camera and, you know, vlog. But right now, we went grocery shopping. I am packing out everything. Love when we go and replenish. I kind of have OCD in a way. I like everything to look, I don't know, I just like when the refrigerator looks like a certain way. We love these juices. I don't even know if they're filled with sugar, but we love them. I just add sparkling water to mine. These are from Aldi and I love them. This is my favorite, the guava mango, and then I add one of these like sweet lemons or limes, and fire. They're so bomb. So this is what our refrigerator is kind of looking like. Yogurt, because we love yogurt. We have our extra avocados in here. We have our sweet lemon, other lemons. Then we have our little limes back there. And then this is just like some food that we cooked, and they're just in these like dishes. And then we also picked up these. If you ever see them, they're the shrimp taco mix. It's just like beans, shrimp, and like peppers and stuff. I wonder if I should, you're not gonna eat yours anytime soon, right?
Do you want to make one?
No, I was just gonna put them in the freezer. I think these are frozen, yeah. So these are supposed to go in the freezer. They're bomb. We got 3. 1 for me, 1 for mom, 1 for Leash. My dad does not. He's vegan, so he does not eat this. We got some green beans. Mom loves green beans. Some scallion or green onion. Okay, so the rest of the groceries so I can pack out because Leash and I are about to go for a little walk. So bananas organic, so I grabbed some paper plates, tired of washing plates, some chicken wings. These are great. Like when my mom's going to work, I just do them like in the oven. I will show you guys how I do them. They're so easy. This was almost $20. Okay, the price of chicken. Okay, I wish I had a chicken farm. Some drumsticks. Then I got some shrimp. Argentinian shrimp is my favorite. They are so good, and make sure it's wild caught. Yeah, do not mind my nail, it's broken. And then make sure it's wild caught. Bomb. My aunt and my mom love these little maple sausage butter. Get a healthier butter. They didn't have the one that we love. Some minced garlic, some organic cucumbers. These are my favorite. I literally will eat the whole bag. Garlic powder, because baby, garlic powder makes everything, I don't know, you don't even taste it, but I just love it. Bagel. My mom loves M&M's, so when I see like a different flavor, this is crunchy cookie, she's never had this one, I buy them for her. I'm gonna put it in her Mother's Day bag. And then we just get a lot of eggs because I bake a lot. I haven't baked in a while though, but I bake a lot. And you know, when you're, yeah. And then we just got trash bags. That's pretty much it. And then I got a little coffee. And then my order from Sephora just came. So that's it. We are on our walk. Coffee. Mango.